from last class, we discussed about these are the things we discussed last class, yesterday class. Look, those who missed the class, please rewind or just take it this one, right? We studied the unit number 3, generation of electricity, and what are the types of electricity. And there are two types of electricity we studied. That one is, first one is static electricity. Another one, second one is what? Moving electricity. And that moving electricity, another name for moving electricity is what? What is that? Current.
Current.
That current is what? Actually, the flowing of electron through a conductor is called electricity or current or electric current. All the terms are equal. What is that? Electricity, electric current, current. Everything is equal. But actually the flowing of electron, which means when electron move, current produced. And we discussed last class what these are the equipments which is used to produce the current. So which is used. Name the equipments for equipment and usage and the method of electricity is supplied to the equipment. These are the main some electrical equipment and their uses and method of electric supply. For example, clock. For the clock, we use what? Electrical cell. For rice cooker, we directly giving what? Home current or house power, right? And headlamp for bicycle, we use what to supply the current? What is that? Dynamo. What is that? Dynamo. Right. So these are the, and also we discussed last class sources of electricity. There are three types of sources. One is electric cell or batteries. Second one is dynamo. Third one is solar cell. And what is so electric cell or chemical cell? Electric cell or chemical cell? What electric cell or chemical cell? That actually equipment which generate the electricity by using chemical reaction. We already discussed that one last class we discussed. That is called electric cell, and that electric cell can be categorized into two. One is simple cell, another one is a dry cell. We discussed last class about this, completely about this one, the simple cell. What actually simple cell? Looks simple cell, right? Okay, these are the simple cell. These are the simple cell. Construction of simple cell. What construction of simple cell? What are the materials we needed to construct the simple cell? A beaker we needed, a copper sheet we needed, a zinc sheet we needed, and to observe the movement of this current, we need a bulb or LED, a small motor, an iron or nichrome wire. These all we discussed last class. And also center zero ammeter or galvanometer and connecting wire. Look, we have connected one wire. Those who missed the class, please see. Please see. Right. So this is the method of this producing a simple cell. Look, a simple cell, simple cell. Right? In this simple cell, we have used a zinc plate and a copper sheet, copper plate. This is copper plate, this is zinc plate, and you have connected to the bulb. When current produced, what happens? Electron moves. When current moves from one place to another place, and that's why the millimeter moves or rotates, milliammeter, sorry. Here this is a milliammeter. You can use instead of this one. இதுக்கு பதிலாக நாங்க என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம் மஹதி. இதுக்கு பதிலா நாங்க என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? What can I use? What can we use instead of this ammeter, milliammeter? I can use what? What you?
Galvanometer.
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 Instead of that, use
Galvanometer.
galvanometer, or I can
Galvanometer.
use what? Ammeter also. Ammeter also can be used. I have used a milliammeter. What is the usage of milliammeter? It can measure very small amount of current. So here you know that very small amount of current is produced, no? So that's why we are using milliammeter, right? Here, not high amount of current not produced here. Small, very small amount of current which is produced here. So because of that one, milliammeter is used here. You can use also galvanometer, right? Last class, this one we discussed, right? Wait, Makal, got it. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Now let's move to next one. These are the observation we already discussed this one. We already discussed this observation. Zinc disk sheet also dissolve. A gas or air bubbles forms at copper sheet, and also indicator of ammeter. Indicator of ammeter or galvanometer deflects or move or turns. I can say, I can't say move, turns. That's a good word. Turns. So this is how this simple cell is being used. So simple cell was discovered by Alexandra Volta. We discussed last class. But there are some of the weakness of this simple cell. What are the weakness we studied or we have here? This weakness, one is difficulty of using them. Difficulty of using them. When you use this simple cell, we have used what? We use what? We use chemical inside. What chemical we are used? Can you tell me, Anis?
Diluted sulfuric acid.
Diluted. What is that? Diluted
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 sulfuric.
sulfuric acid. That chemical is used. When you move it from one place to another place, that will what? Pour it out. வெளியால என்ன செஞ்சிடும்? சிந்திடும். அங்கேயும் இங்கேயும் எடுத்துட்டு போகலாது. Right? The don't open the video. Videos எல்லாம் open பண்ணக்கூடாது. கேள்வி கேட்டா மட்டும் மியூட் அன்மியூட் பண்ணி போட்டு கேள்விக்கு விடைய சொல்லி போட்டு மியூட் பண்ணிடும். Right? சரியா? So please understand. Okay. Right. So next one is inability to maintain, inability to obtain the current for a longer period. You can't get the current using this simple cell for a longer period. நிறைய நாளைக்கு கரண்டை இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி எடுக்கலாது. So that's the point. Correct. Up to now we have discussed this one. Today we are going to discuss about and this one. Look this person picture. This guy simple cell was discovered by Yare. Who is that? Alexandra Volta.
Volta.
Yeah, this is the guy, this person I have given in your I have put here, I have put that picture of that person. Alexandra Volta only was discovered this simple cell, and from that simple cell, because of the chemical reaction, the current is produced. Clear? Clear? Yeah, right. Now let's move to generation of electricity using lime fruit. Last class, we observed, we watched one video in YouTube. I shared that one. Generation of electricity using lime fruit. We can produce current. We can produce current or electricity using lime fruit. Lime fruit is one of the chemical fruit, and that is inside there is the acid present. That acid is what? Citric acid. What acid?
Citric acid.
There is an acid which is inside that lime fruit is a citric acid, and you connect one copper sheet and a zinc sheet. You connect a two wire here, one wire connected this one wire connected to this one. And now can you tell me which one is a positive terminal in milliammeter? Red color or this black color or blue color?
Red color.
Very
Red
good.
color.
This is red color. And this is blue color is a negative terminal. Or black color is a negative terminal. We have studied that one in grade 6 also. So here if you connect this one after some times or few minutes, few hours ago, what you can observe? Can you tell me? What you can observe? It's one of the types of chemical simple cell. This milliammeter indicator what? Indicator what? Indicator will
Deflect.
turn, right? Deflects. Very good.
Deflect.
Nice word. Deflects or turn. The indicator turns. Why it is turning? Because from this line, the current is produced. There could be a videos which is in YouTube or somewhere else. The production of current from potato. Have you seen? Have you seen some of the videos which is the current is producing from
Yes, sir.
potato? But
Yes, sir.
that's not possible, right? That's not possible because that's like a fake. It's like a fake. But because why I'm saying there is not a high amount of acid in potato. So that's not possible, that's fake. But here, using lime fruit, you can produce current, you can do in your home. You take one copper sheet, you can take one zinc sheet, and you just insert it something like, and you just connect two wires. You just, if you don't have this milliammeter, what you use? Tell me. Can you use this one LED? You can
LED
use
bulb.
one LED bulb.
LED bulb.
Yeah, LED bulb. If you
LED
connect
bulb.
LED bulb,
Bulb.
it will lights up. LED bulb கொண்டு நாங்க அதுல பண்ண மாட்டா மில்லியமீட்டருக்கு பதிலா என்ன செய்யும் அது பத்தும். கிளியரா?
Clear.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay, next point, let's see that one. It is a type of cell. I can say it is a type of simple cell. And the next one is chemical is used here. What is that? Lime juice. And lime juice contains what? What's that? Citric acid.
Citric acid.
Acid. And கொருக்காயில என்ன acid இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். We have studied korukai. What is the acid present in tomato? What's that? Korukai இருக்கிற acid, tartaric acid. Right? Tomato high amount is what? High amount is acetic acid. Right? Acetic acid. But vinegar, do you know vinegar? Vinegar? Vinagiri தெரியுமா தமிழ்ல?
Yes,
Vinagiri. It is an
Yes, sir.
acetic acid, right? So see the picture, there is one lemon here. We have connect one zinc nail. What is nail? என்ன ஆணி என்ன? Zinc ஆணி ஒன்றை இங்க கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இங்க copper nail ஒன்றை கனெக்ட் பண்ணி ரெண்டையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணி லெவல் எடுத்துக்கந்து LED bulb ஒன்றை கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் நீங்க. When I connect LED bulb, what you can observe?
The light.
Lights up,
Lights
right? Lights up,
Lights
that's
up.
all.
The lights up.
LEDs
Lights
lights up,
up.
that's all. Simply,
Lights up.
what are the observation you can observe? One is zinc dissolve. Second observation, here you can observe indicator of millimeter also deflects. Deflects means tirumbum. Deflects inda tirumbum. Or you can take instead of solunga deflects. At the same time, if you don't use milliammeter, what will be used? What you can see? LED bulbs will
LED bulb.
lights up, right? Okay. Clear, Rama? Clear.
Clear.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Clear, right. Let's move to now today's
Yes, sir.
another important topic. I have a question for you. Don't shout it. Please mute it. Who is that? Riha, mute it. Okay, thank you. I have a question for you all. Right, I will send this one today. I have to finish something. Right, we have to study more about this one. But I will send this one. But before that one, you just see the questions. Next class எல்லாம் நான் அதுக்கு முதலே தந்துடுவேன். நீங்க print பண்ணி வச்சிக்கிட்டா நல்லா இல்ல எழுதி வச்சிக்கிட்டா நல்லா. But நண்டே கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு பிஸியா போயிட்டு அதனால இத prepare பண்ண கஷ்டமா போயிட்டு. Right. See, there are two main setups. One is we studied that one. This is a zinc plate, is a copper plate, and this is a bulb, and this is ammeter. This is a diluted sulfuric acid. Here, how many copper sheet and zinc sheet pair? How many pair? How many pair? How many pairs? How many pairs? One pairs, no? One pair of zinc and copper sheet. Here, how many pairs? One and
Three.
two and three. Three pairs. Simple ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லவா? Simple தமிழ்ல கேக்குறேன். எதுல கூட கரண்ட் வரும்? சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம் மஹதி.
Y. Setup Y.
Setup Y. அம்னா சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். What எதுல கரண்ட் கூட வரும்? இதுல வருமா இதுல வருமா கூட கரண்ட்? X ல வருமா Y ல வருமா?
X ல வரும்.
X ல வருமா பாருங்க. X ல ஒரு one pair of zinc and copper இருக்கு. Right? Here 1 2 3 மூணு இருக்கு. மூணு செல் மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்ப X ல வருமா Y ல வருமா? I'm just connecting here one bulb. ஒரு bulb நான் connect பண்றேன். Bulb நான் connect பண்ண இவிடத்தை எதுல வரும்? கூட light. In a crude sulfuric acid, 1 pair, 2 pair, how many pairs mal? Sollum apna. How many pairs? 3 pairs. How many pairs here? Nazuma, tell me.
Pairs.
How many pairs in?
One
1 pair. Here 1 pair. Here 3 pairs. So edhila kura current varum?
Vaila.
Varum.
Vaila.
Varum. அதான் இங்க இருக்கிற நான் क्वेश्चन கேட்கறேன். Look that. Question number 1. Can you answer it? I will ask one person. Two simple cell X, Y are given above. Write the observation in X. Excellent observation. நீங்க பார்க்கலாம் நிறைய observation இருக்கு. What observation? Can you tell me? One by one. Light is lighting up. One person. Wait. I'll ask one person. Right, okay. Zahra Hana, tell me. Okay, she is not responding. Himash, tell me. Solunga, in answer. Anis, tell.
The light, the bulb is lights up and
bulbs lights up
and millimeter is negative reflected.
Is in the podama millimeter deflects. Is in the voda ing varumanga. So deflects. Another observation. Where I are selling oral one person.
Shami.
Zinc sheet is.
Yeah, Masuma selling. Masuma selling about what observation? Zinc sheet. What's that?
Zinc sheet.
Dissolve. Adhe madri.
Copper sheet had bulb.
No, 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 no. On copper sheet, air or gas bubbles forms, right? On copper sheet, air or gas bubble form. Clear? So this is one.
Zinc sheet என்ன sir?
Zinc sheet dissolve ஆகும். Zinc sheet dissolve ஆகும். பார்த்தோம் தானே நேத்து இப்பையும் காட்டினேன் தானே இங்க பாருங்க. மேலுக்கு நான் படிச்சது தான் கேள்வி தந்திருக்கிறேன். இங்க பாருங்க. பயந்துடாதங்க அதால கண்டு. ரைட் இந்த அறிக்கை. எங்க பாருங்க என்ன பாருங்க zinc sheet what? Zinc sheet என்ன செய்யும்? கரையும் என்ன dissolve ஆகும். கரையும். Right. Okay. So gas நான் தருவ நோட்ஸ் இன்னைக்கு அனுப்பிடுவேன் இன்ஷாஅல்லாஹ் ரைட் நைட்டுக்குள்ள 7 o'clock அல்லது 9 o'clock குள்ள அனுப்புவேன் நீங்க அத பிரிண்ட் எடுத்து வெச்சுக்கோங்க மொத்தமா இல்ல இன்றைய கிளாஸும் நேற்றைய கிளாஸும் அத நீங்க காப்பில எழுதுங்க அதான் நல்லமா don't print it remember don't print it you just take the notes and write on your exercise book that's good print பண்ணி வெச்சிட்டு படிக்க வேணும் சொல்லிட்டு print பண்ணுங்க okay good color பண்ணி அழகா வெச்சுக்கோங்க right okay now let's move to another question next question is what if bulbs connect bulb between A and B A க்கும் B க்கும் இடையில bulb connect பண்ணா write the observation of bulb and write the observation of bulb what observation A க்கும் B க்கும் இடையில bulb connect பண்ண என்ன observation bulb slides up no bulb slides up but what is that இதுல bulb இருக்கு இதுலயும் bulb இருக்கு எதுல கூட பத்தும் which bulb has a high brightness இதுல கூட பத்தும்
set up y
set up y ஏன் set up y because இதுல கூட current வரும் என்ன 3 dry cells இருக்குது 3 not dry cell 3 simple cell இருக்குங்க இதுல 3 simple cell இருக்கு இதுல ஒரு simple cell இருக்கு அப்ப 3 இருக்குறதுல கூட பத்துமா 1 இருக்குறதுல கூட பத்துமா 3 இருக்குறதுல கூட பத்தும் so here what is the observation that is the question look at this one the question says விலங்குனா நான் கதைக்கிறது மத்தாக்களுக்கு சத்தமில்லாம இருக்கிறார்களுக்கு விலங்கோணும் right so if the bulbs connected between A and B write the observation of bulb and comment about the brightness of bulb when compared to x விட compare பண்ணக்கல அதுல இருக்கிற பல்போட brightness பத்தி சொல்லலாம் எப்படி எழுதுற what's that what is the answer நீங்க தான் எழுதணும் ரைட் பண்ணி நான் இப்ப நான் உங்களுக்கு explain பண்றேன் observation you can do what's that can you tell me what's that the bulbs lights out that's the answer lights up and also you can write the answer for and comment means you just tell something about that the brightness of bulb when compared to x விட ஒப்பிடக்கல y ல எதுல கூட வரும் என்ன நடக்கும் அதுல the brightness of bulb what's that tell me brightness of bulb higher than then what
higher than set up x
or you can say x set up x right this is the answer Shakish Sharaf ennaman solunga en raise panna kaiye if you raise hand means you have a doubt right I'm just going to ask now who is that Reha Zamhizaki Saniha got it clear amal velangita
yes
okay right நிறைய பேர் இன்றைய காணல என்ன இன்றைய கிளாஸ் மறந்துட்டாங்களா ஓகே மார்னிங் எத்தனை பேர் வந்தாங்க சேஞ்ச் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா பிரிச்சு பாத்திருக்கீங்களா அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கல என்ன கவனமா பார்க்கறேன்டா பார்க்கணும். Have you seen that one? There are lots of parts. Look at that one. The outside part is a zinc casing. What is that? Zinc casing. Outside part is a protective covering. Outside la ஒரு கவர் மாதிரி இருக்கும், உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அந்த கவருக்கு உள்ள என்ன இருக்கும்னா zinc இருக்கும், zinc இருக்கும். Zinc is one of we have used in simple cell la நாங்க யூஸ் பண்ணோமா zinc இல்லையா ஓமா? dry cell la வேற. dry cell ண்டா தமிழ்ல என்ன?
உலர் மின்கலம்.
உலர் மின்கலம். Right? உலர் மின்கலம். Right. அப்ப dry cell la நாங்க வெளியில protective covering and outside inside is a zinc casing present. Inside la உள்ளுக்கு zinc இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை, நீங்க எழுத வேணாம். anode cathode எல்லாம் தேவையில்லை இப்போதைக்கு. inside that one zinc casing குள்ள நீங்க அதை கலட்டி பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ராட் இருக்கும். அது ராட்டுக்கு பேரு கார்பன் ராட். கருத்த கலர்ல இருக்கும். எங்கேயாச்சும் கண்டிருக்கீங்களா, பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? நீளமா இருக்கும். கலத்தி பார்த்தாங்களுக்கு சில நேரம் விளங்கும். Right? Carbon rod. Inside there are some black dust. Black dust. Black மாதிரி ஒன்று இருக்கும். பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Black மாதிரி. That black is coal. What? Actually not coal, Mahan. What is this? Manganese dioxide. What is that? Manganese dioxide. MnO2. Manganese dioxide. MnO2. That is used inside. So here why we are studying this dry cell actually, here also what is present? What is present? What is present?
Chemical.
Chemical produce
Chemical.
Chemical produce what?
Electric.
Electrons. When electron move, what is that? We can say what? When electron move?
Current.
Current. That's why we are studying dry cell. It is a type of what cell? Dry cell is a type of what cell? What cell? Chemical cell.
Chemical cell. Chemical cell.
Yeah.
Chemical
cell. Yes.
Chemical cell.
Chemical cell. Right. Coverage problem இருக்கா உங்களோட ஏரியாவுல? இல்ல தானே?
No sir. No sir. No sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Right. This is the symbol of this dry cell. Before that, here you can see I can draw the dry cell here. Just wait. I can draw the dry cell. Using that dry cell, using this dry cell, you can see normally you can see the dry cell like this here. For example, it's a dry cell. Inside this dry cell, you just see one point, and this is what? What is this? What part? This is what part? What is this? This is what? Positive. This is what? Can you tell me? Negative. What is that? Negative. This is positive.
Negative.
நீளம் இருக்கிறது positive. சின்னதா இருக்கிறது
negative.
அமர்ந்திருக்கிறது negative. Right. நான் இப்போ இந்த சின்னதாக்குறேன். இந்த வேற மேல இருக்குது. Right. Right. Sorry. Okay, this is a dry cell and this is a positive and this is negative. Now what do you have to know clearly of that one? What do you have to know clearly about this one? This is one of this one. Inside what is present? I already said what is present? Chemical, right? Chemical. Because of that chemical, current is produced. When current produced, the symbol of this one, இதுக்கு ஒரு symbol இருக்கு. அந்த symbol எப்படிண்டா பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கிறது எப்படி கொடுக்கணும்டா பெரிசா கொடுக்கணும், ரைட்? பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கிறது பெரிசா கொடுக்கணும். அப்ப கோட பெரிசா கொடுக்கும். நெகட்டிவ் இருக்கிறத எப்படி கொடுக்கணும்? சின்னதா கொடுக்கணும், குட்டியா கொடுக்கணும். அங்கால சைட்ல நாங்க வயர் ஒண்ட கனெக்ட் பண்ணுவோம். நமக்கு என்ன வயர் ஒண்ட கனெக்ட் பண்ணுவோம், ரைட்? So now here in the positive இதுண்டா இதுதான், இது பிளஸ், பெரிசா இருக்கிறது பாசிட்டிவ், சின்னதா இருக்கிறது என்ன சொல்லுங்க? நெகட்டிவ், ரைட்? So இது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் already, you know that. Just I'm going to write, நான் அழிக்க போறேன். I'm going to erase now. I am just connecting one wire from this, one wire from this where this dry cell. I'm just connecting wire. Okay, fine, wait. Okay. And this wire is connected here, and also you can connect. Okay, now I have a bulb inside. Here is a bulb.
Yes, sir.
Right, now current is moving from where to where? And now it is lights up. Current in dry cell travels from where to where? Positive terminal to negative terminal. Positive la irundhaan current enna seiyum? Negative. Ipadi povakala, when this current is moving from positive to negative, these bulbs will lights on. Now I am going to bring one elikuti. I am going to bring one elikuti, right? When I bring this elikuti here, and that elikuti is what? Cutting this, what? This wire. When this cut, can you observe this light is lights up? Wire arutta light pattuma? Pattal. So when elikuti is cut fine, what is that? That light is not light fine, right? Clear?
Not like.
Yeah.
Okay.